Walmart is expecting 58 cents and 165.8 billion in revenue for a WMT.
All right. Good
Morning.
Okay, so as we sit down here, our leading gapper FL is higher, slightly higher float. Not really the type of stock we would probably go for. So just getting things set up here. There's no question that yesterday there was some momentum, but it was more on lower price
Walmart
stocks.
reporting
So that's worth noting
61
for
cents
today.
adjusted. That's a 3-cent beat for Walmart. Revenue of
Yeah, it is nice to be
165.6
home.
billion. That's short of the
Oh, you can hear
165.8
us.
billion.
Sorry. Things all over the place. Glad that my charts are working today. The sucky thing is I really still don't know if it was something on my computer that was preventing. If you didn't know, I couldn't trade or stream yesterday. Tried to trade anyway, and it didn't work out too well. But I didn't have any charts. None. They wouldn't even pop up. It looked like this. That's what my screen looked like yesterday. It's like, so that was fun. Stream high contrast. It looks normal on my end. What's up, Pro Stone? This thing is just going up. How'd I do on Etna? I didn't trade it much, but I did okay on it. I had a red day yesterday. I was very green, and then like one trade or two trades gave it all back, and then I was trying to climb out of a hole. It was on a day where, again, I was trading like this. My trading platform's here. I'm watching charts on TradingView. So I had TradingView charts, but I didn't have E-Trade charts. So it was frustrating. Past 2 days have been frustrating. And I've woken up at 6:45 both days, ready to rock, only to find out I can't really trade. So that just pisses me off right from the get-go. This thing just will not come down. Do a little fishing? No. I spent the whole day setting up the rest of my trading station in the bunker, getting the monitors up and running. That sort of thing. Oh, Chickabawa, I missed this. It's a good hit. It's a good hit. Quality. Dude, what is up with this thing? Thank you, Chickabawa. IXHL. Damn it. I got some. Damn. Can I get out? Shit. There we go. Is IXHL. I'm just looking at the overall, like we're definitely backside right now. 5-minute cuck. Just making lower highs and lower lows. If it got going, I'd be interested in it, but I want to see it prove to me first, since it isn't one of the initial runners this morning. Hey, E-Turd, want to give me the freaking candlestick? Big seller up there. Oh, is he gone? No, still. Oh, he's gone. Jeez. All right, got VWAP rejection. Jeez. This click is still hanging out. 5 minute. This is a 5 minute I would play off of. Would be the break of 60.84. Crap again. What scanners do I use? It's just a high a day, low a day scanner. That's it. It's basically this, what you see right here. Nothing fancy. I don't pay for anything fancy. I use this guy, and then I have a scanner that is basically this, but just for low floats. That's it. Volume filter, I think I have it set at 40,000 shares traded. I can't even remember what this is set at, because this might be $100 and under, but my other one is just low float. I just need, like ICCT here. Just needs to look like this for me to get my attention. That's it. Then I'll look at it and then I'll decide. I don't trade because something hits the scanners. I look at it because something hit my scanners, and then I'll take the trade based off of how the chart looks. What do you mean different baits? Well, if you would be a part of Discord, you would have seen the announcement of what happened and where I've been the past 2 days. All right then. All right then. haircut day? No, I'm not. I did not. Look at this. I didn't even shower for you all. Actually, I did. Take that back. Just gonna try to keep the grease flowing for you, so you didn't feel like you missed anything. RTAC SPAC IPO. Well, if it's a SPAC, it really shouldn't move. Is it pricing at 10? Or is it an IPO that, or is it a merger into this? Damn, this thing is strong. Shit. Gotta get this MACD to flip. Just a SPAC, same guy that did DWAC. Okay. But not a merger, though. Wouldn't watch in the future if we see news on it, though, then. Well done, crew. Well done. Finding the connection to DWAC. Well done. That was all Siru. Nice. Siru, you've been posting quite a bit of the IPOs. Appreciate it. Have you been having success on it? On the IPO stuff? Here was this post. $10, 20, yeah. Oh, I forgot that DWC turned it into DJT. So focus. It's search on a high potential. Okay. Well, he's got a history of successful SPACs and then merger with big players. So, one to keep on watching the future on any news of a merger. I wonder if he already has someone lined up for a merger. Maybe old Don Jr., huh? Come on, Donnie. Time to pump those numbers. I flubbed ANTA yesterday. Yeah, I was looking forward to ANTA and eToro, and guess what? Just so happened that I have no charts on days like that. So I was real happy yesterday. Real happy. Or what if it's Barron too young to have a SPAC merger? I think the market would go nuts for a Barron, but maybe not so much for Don Jr. And I say market, I mean the complete degens that would be trading this stuff. Do I check the catalyst? Every time. If I see a stock ripping, I'll 9 times out of 10 check why it's ripping before I trade it. Oh, actually, I want to say almost every time. Not even 9 out of 10, maybe 99 out of 100. Why is NVEE halted? NV5's CEO Ben Harrod is supposed to join Acuren board. Okay, what's up with this guy? It's over the 200, so I'm instantly interested. No news that I can see. NVEE posted. Oh, thank you. Damn, you guys are on top of it. So this just broke the 200, which is kind of my like go nuts level. It's a low float too. It's thickly traded, so not a huge fan of that, but why did Newegg move yesterday? I couldn't find news on it. Even my news button didn't work yesterday. Like I couldn't click on this and get the news. That didn't even work. So annoying. SJ to try to get in on the rip period or wait for a pullback and then get in. Well, it's safer to wait for the pullback. It depends. If I feel like I'm getting in early, I'll join the rip, especially if you're breaking a 50% or a whole dollar level or getting close to breaking those levels. I'll try for that break. But if a stock is up like a substantial amount before I get over there, I usually don't feel comfortable getting in unless I feel like the news justifies a higher move. There's a lot that goes into it, and a lot of it is automatic now for me. And there's a bunch of thoughts that probably run through my head that is automatic, and it's like a clockwork computer. But yeah, I would say that if I feel like I'm getting it early and that the news justifies a move